Hello children, today we are going to start our next lesson, Nasruddin's Aim. We'll begin with reading of this lesson. Nasruddin's Aim. So let's begin reading. Nasruddin's Aim. Apostrophe S means this aim is of Nasruddin. And what is aim? Aim is something you want to achieve. एम मतलब जो आप पाना चाहते हैं, निशाना. यहाँ पर एक इसका अर्थ होता है निशाना. One day Nasruddin was chatting with his friends. He began to boast, "No one can match my skill in archery." So one day Nasruddin was talking with his friends. Chatting means talking. And he began to boast. Boast means to say so many good things about yourself. That he is very good in archery. He was boasting that he is very good in archery. Archery is a game of bow and arrows. I string the bow, take an aim, and shoot an arrow. Whoosh! Now let's look at some of the new words here. Chatting. ChatTing. Repeat it. ChatTing. Chatting. Chatting means talking with someone informally. Just the way you talk with your friends. That is chatting. Chatting means talking with someone informally. Archery. ARCHERY. Repeat. ARCHERY. Archery. A game of shooting with arrows. Archery is a game of shooting with arrows. Look in this picture. This boy is shooting with arrows. This game is archery. String. 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 Repeat. STRING. String. A long piece of thin rope, as you can see here. A long piece of thin rope. This is called string. The arrow is sure to hit bang on the target. Hearing this, one of his friends immediately brought a bow and some arrows. So as Nasruddin was saying, he is very good in archery. Whenever he shoots an arrow, the arrow hits the target. So listening to this, one of his friends brought bow and some arrows. New words here. Target. TARGET. Repeat. TARGET. Target. A result that is to be achieved. A result that is to be achieved. Now in this game of archery, this is the target. इसे hit करना है, मतलब ये achieve करना है. So this is the target. Bang. Sound of a sudden loud noise. Bang means sound of a sudden loud noise. Giving them to Nasruddin, he said, "Here Nasruddin, take this bow and arrows." Then pointing towards a target, he said, "Aim at that target and shoot an arrow." Now his friend gave him the bow and arrows, and he showed him the target, and he said, "Aim this target and shoot your arrow. You have to hit this target." Nasruddin held the bow in his hands, strung it, aimed at the target, and shot an arrow. Woo! The arrow didn't hit the target. Instead, It fell down somewhere in the middle. Ha 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 ha. His friends started laughing. They said, "Hey Nasruddin, is this your best aim?" So when Nasruddin was trying to hit this target, what happened? He could not hit the target. Instead, his arrow fell somewhere in between. So his friends started making fun of him. That, is this your best aim? You were saying you are very good in archery. You always hit the target. So is this your best aim? Oh no, not at all, said Nasruddin, defending himself. Defending means saving, to protect. This wasn't my aim. So now Nasruddin was saving himself by making an excuse. He said it was Azad's aim. That this was not my aim. This is not how I shoot arrow. This is how Azad shoots an arrow. I just showed you how the Azad shoots an arrow. Saying this, Nasruddin picked up another arrow. Once again he strung the bow, aimed at the target and shot the arrow. This time the arrow fell a little further than where it had fallen before. So this time also he could not hit the target. Now new word here, defending. D-E-F-E-N-D-I-N-G. Defending. Repeat. D-E-F-E-N-D-I-N-G. Defending. To protect. To save. Bachana. That is defending. But it certainly didn't hit the target. So in the second time also, Nasruddin could not hit the target. They asked Nasruddin, "And this must be how you shoot an arrow?" "Of course not," argued Nasruddin. "Even this aim was not mine. It was the chief guard's aim." So again Nasruddin made an excuse. He said, "This was not my aim. This was chief guard's aim." Now somebody remarked, "Well, who's next on the list?" Now somebody again made fun of him, saying, "Now who's next on the list?" Now if again you fail and you don't hit the target, then who is the one you are going to blame? In the first attempt you blamed Azad. In the second attempt you blamed chief guard. And then who's next? Hearing this, all the friends burst out laughing. Nasruddin didn't say a word. He quietly picked up one more arrow and again, and this time Nasruddin was really lucky. The arrow hit bang on the target. So in the third time, the arrow hit the target. Nasruddin was lucky this time. Everybody stared at Nasruddin, their mouths agape in amazement. Before anyone could say anything, Nasruddin said triumphantly, "Did you see that? It was my aim." So at last, when Nasruddin hit the target, his friends got surprised. And then Nasruddin said triumphantly, means as he won, so he was very happy. He said, "It was my aim." So here we have three new words, agape, amazement and triumphantly. Agape means wide open in surprise. Mouth agape means to keep your mouth open in surprise like this. This is the expression agape. Amazement. Amazement means a feeling of great surprise. Now read the spelling A-G-A-P-E. Agape. Repeat. A-G-A-P-E. Agape. Amazement. A-M-A-Z-E-M-E-N-T. Amazement. Repeat. A-M-A-Z-E-M-E-N-T. Amazement. Triumphantly. 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 Repeat. Triumphantly. Triumphantly. A way of showing happiness of victory. Victory means when you win something. So you become very happy when you win something. On victory you always feel happy. So the way of showing happiness of victory is triumphantly. So now read this lesson 2 times and write its new words. Thank you.